Okay, last page for Thursday. Ryan sold $460 worth of books for $10 each. Okay, so he sold $460 total. He sold those worth of books for $10 each. So sometimes each means multiply, but sometimes each means what? Divide. So if you sold $460 worth of books and you sold each of those books at $10, the question is, how many books did you sell? How many books did he sell? What are we going to do? Well, we're trying to find out how many books. The final question is, how many books did he sell? That's what the question is pertaining to. If we're going to set up a plan, we're going to do a part whole because that's just the easiest thing to do. So we're going to draw our little part whole. We're going to come down here. What's our whole? What's our total big number? It's not always the biggest number, but in this case, our total, our whole is 460. Okay, we know that each book was sold for $10, so that's our part. This is how many books. This is what we don't know, is how many books. We know our part whole is either addition and subtraction or multiplication and division. So this one's going to be multiplication and division. So if we have our whole and we don't have our two parts, we can't multiply together. So we're going to have to do what? We're going to have to divide. Okay. So we've got 460 divided by 10. Okay. We're going to do this the long way and the short way. I'm going to show you both. Actually, we're going to do it 3 different ways. So 10 goes into 46, 10, 20, 30, 40. It's going to go in 4 times. 10 times 4 is 40. 6 minus 0 is 6. Bring down our 0. 10 goes into 66 times. So we can divide it this way, and the answer is 46. We can do that kind of same thing again, remembering that if we have a 0 in the dividend and in the divisor, we can cancel those out. Well, what is 46 divided by 1? Well, it's 46. Okay, same answer. Little bit different way to do it. We can also do 460 divided by 10. Same thing. We know that our zeros cancel out if we have one in the divisor, the dividend and the divisor. So 46 divided by 1 is 46. So that's 3 different ways to look at it to be able to solve that really quickly. So again, we want to ask ourselves, is this reasonable? Okay, is 46 books reasonable? Well, we can always do the inverse operation just to make sure. We can multiply our 46 books by our $10 each. So 0 times 6 is 0, 0 times 4 is 0, 1 times 6 is 6, 1 times 4 is 4. We add this all together and we get back to our $460.